Hi, I'm Jeanette. I'm a naturalist for the Forest Preserve District of Kane County, and I'm out here today in beautiful Big Rock Forest Preserve, and I want to share with you something that I found on my hike. What we have here is a tree, a down tree, and I know this tree is an ash tree because of these D-shaped boreholes that we see here, and also the tracks that we see underneath the bark layer that was made by the emerald ash borer. Dun dun dun. So this tree succumbed to the emerald ash borer, but what I like to point out is out of death comes life, and what we have on the tree today is a beautiful variety of all sorts of different mosses and lichens. So moss, like we see right here, is an ancient plant. It's one of the very first plants that we had on Earth, on dry land. It evolved out of algae that washed out of our oceans millions of years ago. And now there are over 10,000 different species of moss on every single continent, even the Arctic regions, where it's a valuable food source for reindeer and caribou. Humans have used moss for thousands of years also. The Native Americans used moss for pillow stuffing inside their babies' diapers. And in World War I, it was used for wound dressing. The other thing that we see here on this tree is lichen. Lichen also evolved from algae millions of years ago, and the ancient Egyptians used lichen in the mummification process, and animals, especially birds, use lichen today to camouflage their nests. Lichen is a symbiotic relationship between two organisms, algae and fungus. And the way I like to remember that is Alice algae and Freddie fungus took a lichen to each other. So the lichen actually, the algae produces the photosynthesis, and the lichen, the fungus, is what anchors the plant to its host. So they live together in perfect harmony, which is a lesson that we can take today from nature. I'm Jeanette. I hope you enjoyed this and are inspired to take a hike.